Hi, good evening. I'm Ignatius. Today we are on day 3 of my gratitudes, end of the year gratitude. So today's gratitude is about I discovered that a vegetable shop where I buy regularly, they have this small packets which cost 10 bucks, and any vegetable in that, they're all 10 rupee packets. I mean, we inquired today, we find that this guy he selects and sorts the vegetables, puts the good ones on the racks. This is a single store, okay, in Adyar. It's not a multi-store. It's a vendor who just has one store, and he selects the rightly shaped ones, and the what looks good. He puts it out on the rack. What is misshapen but still fresh, he sorts them out and puts them in quarter kg bags or something, and he prices them at 10 bucks. What he said was his laborers who get back home in the evening, they pick up, they can buy 3 or 4 vegetables each for 10 bucks. So for 40-50 bucks, they're able to buy what they require, and so their needs are taken care of. So he's actually selling it less than MRP. I mean, less than the cost price actually. While what is out on the racks are above cost price. That's where he makes his margin. So he says I make a small profit in what I sell through the racks, and the other is it's below my cost price, but it helps these people. So just look at this as he's a small time veg vendor with one single store just selling vegetables alone. All right, but he has his own way of doing CSR, corporate social responsibility. The government mandates large organizations to do that, but here somebody is willingly doing that. I mean, he's not even, he just feels that this is the way he can contribute to those people who are struggling and are getting back from work. They're able to pick this up. It's very easy. Just, I want this bag, that bag, that bag, and they pick it up and they go and they are able to make their food. So, such a beautiful gesture that is this guy does, and he's been consistently doing it without any fanfare, and I'm sure there's nobody who notices or writes about these things. But how many households are being fed because of his act? Okay, and we buy vegetables there quite often, but not knowing that this backstory we just discovered yesterday actually, and we went there. So it's a such people have to be, I mean, I'm really grateful because he showed that this humanity, that the concern for the fellow human beings is there at the grassroots level, and it cannot be taken away. I mean, while in the corporate or the other circles, you feel that it's a dog eat dog world, nobody cares for the other, but there are still quite a few people at the grassroots who genuinely care and do things, do things which ease the life of those around them. And so I'm grateful that there is such a person, and there will be probably hundreds and thousands of such people who are doing their bit for this. It's such a genuine, beautiful activity or system that he has. Each of us in our own businesses can look at some way of giving back, because a give back is like planting the seed again, so the plant will grow again and it will flower and it will take care of more people in the future. So each of us, if we have that ability, that will be really beautiful. So I thank this vegetable vendor. He's in Adyar. He's in Indiranagar First Main. He's near that petrol bunk. So if you come into Indiranagar First Main from the petrol bunk, it's on the left hand side. And it's so those of you who want to patronize him or stuff like that, it may be quite okay. And if your maid or others need to buy vegetables, this is a good place where they can pick it up at a very, very low rate. Okay, so thanks for watching. The Ziggy signing off. Take care and bye bye. We'll catch up again tomorrow.